check out another district here. And this one's about to get really busy. I just walked down it, but I wasn't filming before. So now I'm filming. We're gonna see how busy this one is, y'all. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
All right. You'll see in a bit, there's gonna be a lot of people dressed up in characters and all that kind of stuff, if that's what you like. And we're just gonna keep working our way around. Let's see what we can find. So we'll get to that side in a minute, but first we're going to do this side over here. As you can see, lots of people everywhere at the action figure shops and all that kind of stuff around. People dressed up in characters, as I said before, so there's a few of those, you know. Everything's all good. That's a nice looking building over there, actually. Working our way down. A lot of stuff down here as well. You can just see how big everything is around here. And even in the alleys, there's a lot going on too, so it's pretty cool. So we're gonna end up going on that side eventually and see what it's all about. So that'll work out. And then as we go a little bit further into town, we are gonna see what we got happening. So these buildings are actually pretty nice too. So a lot of stuff around, people hand out flyers, all that good stuff, and things all over the buses, which is pretty cool. Wind's picking up a bit. Stores, phones, they love the phones out here, they love taking pictures. And yeah, y'all just have a look. As far as the eye can see, a lot of stuff happening. Everywhere you go, people everywhere. I'm gonna go down the street just a tiny bit more and then come back around as well. So, but yeah, like I said, everybody, a lot of stuff going on. People crossing everywhere. Shout out to the poster. Some people can probably find this a bit overwhelming, but you just kind of got to make your way through. But yeah, again, the sheer amount of people will blow your mind. We're gonna go across this way and make our way back. Just want y'all to have a look. All the stuff we got going on around here. All right, here we go again. Let's try to make it back through the crowd. Barbecue, that's pretty cool. Smells good actually. I'm just gonna keep working our way down here and see what we find. So I wouldn't be surprised, just from the way that things look, I wouldn't be surprised if that was the red light district, because it seems like it to me. The girls and holding up signs and stuff. And a lot of them was hiding in front of the camera, so you already know what that means. So just keep rolling. Looks like there's a Carl's Jr.'s here. Shout out to Carl's Jr.'s. I haven't had that in a long time. The Japanese style Carl's Jr. So shout out to Carl's Jr. one more time, everybody. I'm just gonna keep rolling it. It's getting a little bit quieter now, which is good. I'm gonna try to work my way back to where I was, because I have no idea. There is a lot going on around these parts. Lots of malls everywhere. Lots of toy shops. And we'll see what this corner is looking like as we roll up to here. So I'm a big fan of the intersections out here. A lot of stuff to see. Like, how cool is that? Mystery people. So again, another day in Tokyo. All right, let's cross the street while we can here. Nope, ran out of time. That's all right. All right, can't be in Asian general without seeing an Apple store. So shout out to Apple Store. We're gonna go down to the Mitsubishi building here, and that's gonna be the last stop on this MysteryManTravels adventure. I'm glad y'all can join me and have a good time together and get through the crowd. So that's where we're going, y'all. So let's have a look at that building. We'll get a little bit closer and check out some of the architecture. Shout out to architecture. All right, so we're gonna get a little bit closer here. Here's one of the metro stations here, the Tokyo station. Very famous metro station there. And as we continue to go on down the way, let's see what we can find. Got some nice architecture out here. So for those that haven't figured it out, Mitsubishi is a Japanese company. Shout out to Mitsubishi. It is quite nice out here though. We have the sun setting, and this building's pretty nice too. So shout out to the sunset. let's keep rolling, see what we can find. Get a little bit closer, check out some more famous stuff here. We got the sun coming down, but that's okay. We can still find our way around here and just have a good look at everything around. First time I actually seen a few flags around here, so it's not crazy like in the US where there's flags everywhere you look. We got a few flags, so yeah, a little bit patriotic. And there's a hotel here too, so that's pretty convenient for those that want to stay. So yeah, shout out to Japan. We're gonna keep working our way around here and be tourists for a bit. I don't think you're supposed to go in that water, but the kids are going in the water, so they weren't in there before. So yeah, one more time, y'all. I'm just gonna get it from back here. There was a couple adults getting their hands wet and stuff too, so. There we go, everybody. Mitsubishi Station. Shout out to Japan. We're just gonna get a couple more angles here while the sun's coming down because it's actually really cool. But yeah, that's a nice water cooling system that they have going on there, and I don't think they're supposed to go in this one, but people don't like to follow the rules, so usually tourists. Check that out one more time, y'all. Mystery Man series on Tokyo, Japan. You already know how it goes down. This is how we do it, y'all. Mystery Man. Thanks,
Mystery Man!
All right.